What up, fam? What up, family? Welcome back to my channel. My name is BizMatik, and I'm back with another review for y'all. Look, this time around, we got 3 Dog Night with Mama Told Me Not to Come. All right, so I've done songs from 3 Dog Night before, and I've enjoyed them, and y'all enjoyed them as well. And I said I would do more, so here we are. Actually, just recently I got a comment. Somebody said, "I'm surprised you haven't done more 3 Dog Nights." So here we go. All right, here we go. And y'all let me know what's next from 3 Dog Night, and I got you. Okay. Lyrics. Yo, you gotta have the lyrics up. Let's go ahead and listen.
Want some whiskey in your water, sugar in your tea? What's all this crazy question they're asking me? This is the craziest party that could ever be. Don't turn on the lights, cause I don't want to see. Mama told me not to come. Mama told me not to come. That ain't the way that I found out. Open up the window, let some air into this room. I think I'm almost choking from the smell of stale perfume.
Oh.
And that cigarette you're smoking, I'll scare me half to death. Open up the window, sucker, let me catch my breath. Mama told me not to come. Mama told me not to come.
What?
That ain't the way to have fun, son.
That ain't the way to have fun. Shit,
Radio is blasting, someone's knocking at the door. I'm looking at my girlfriend, she passed out on the floor. I've seen so many things I ain't never seen before. Don't know what it is, I don't want to see no more. Mama.
Yo, listen, I had to stop it. I just love the way, I'm just gonna call it his flow. Like the swag with the verses is crazy. It is crazy. And plus that breakdown too, and the whistle and that guitar, oh my God, funky. And the whole thing, and y'all know me, man, I'm a sucker for a great bass line, right? The bass line is kind of driving this whole song, is giving it that funkiness to it, right? This song is raw. Let me read this story, right? Because as I'm listening to it, I'm like, damn, your mama was probably right. Look, want some whiskey in your water, sugar in your tea? What are these crazy questions you asking me? Because that's what I was thinking. I'm like, what the whiskey with water? Sugar. Well, some people do have tea with sugar, though. So, I don't know. All right. This is the craziest party that could ever be. Don't turn on the lights, because I don't want to see. Huh. Mama told me not to come. Mama told me not to come. That ain't no way to have fun. Open up your window. Let some air into this room. Room funky. I think I'm almost choking from the smell of stale perfume. And that cigarette you're smoking about scare me half to death. Open up the window, sucker. Let me catch my breath. Is he with a prostitute? Is he with a prostitute and his mama's like, look, that's not the way to do it. Why do I always I always go so far? But yeah, that's what I think. But and mama told me not to come. That ain't the way to have fun. The radio is blasting. Someone's knocking at the door. I'm looking at my girlfriend. Oh, she's passed out on the floor. I seen so many things I ain't never seen before. I don't know what it is. I don't want to see no more. Okay, what the fuck is he into? Like, what's going on? Where is he at? Okay, so it's not a prostitute. it's because his girlfriend's on the floor. Are they like, what kind of freaky shit going on here? Yeah. I don't know, man. This one kind of got me. Like, usually I could make up a situation in my head, you know, and y'all just gonna tell me, nope, that's not what's going on. For this, I don't even know what's going on, but like, it sounds funky as hell. Like this song, and that's the thing with 3 Dog Night, right? All the songs that I did from them sound funky as hell. I think one of them was a little trippy, but dope instrumentation. Dope instrumentation. But let's go ahead and finish, because I'm trying to figure out what the hell's going on. That ain't the way to have fun, son. I like that song. I like that song. That was pretty cool. Although they did not explain what fun they was having. So we got a passed out chick. We got a room that stinks. And some, I don't know, some mysterious activities. It don't sound good. It don't sound good. But if anything, it sounds fun. It sounds fun. What the hell? But man, y'all let me know how you felt about it in the comment section below, and also let me know what's next from 3 Dog Night, and I got you. If you made it this far and you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, this is your chance to go ahead and do so. Join the squad. We'll be happy to have you. We got seats all over. We got one right there, one right there. Oh, just left. Okay, so we got 2 seats over there. So, you know, pick a spot, right? And what was I gonna say? Nah, nothing else. I'll see y'all in the next one. Guess what? You better be there. Peace.